On the patio, we're barbecuing. Dessert.
Yeah.
Hello.
Look who's here with us.
We're in love with these two Sorellas. They're sisters.
I know.
Maddie and Kiki. Kiki, do you love me?
Yep.
Are you riding? We love what you're serving up this morning, which is grilled calzone.
Yes, that's what we're talking about. We love to feature different things on the grills, okay?
Absolutely.
It's not just about
This
the
is
meats.
not a traditional
it's
calzone.
not.
I don't see any salami here, no tomatoes.
Yeah, what's a calzone? We'll explain that first of all. Panzerotto calzone, what is it?
It
Folded
basically
pizza.
is a, you got it,
You
Raj.
got
It's
it. Nailed
basically
it.
a stuffed za.
Yep.
It's a stuffed za. Like we like to say za, it's a stuffed pizza.
And
Yeah.
they're delicious.
Yes.
Totally.
Yes.
Okay, so first things first, let's dive right into the calzones. Roger, I'm going to have you build the filling.
Okay, I can do that.
Fruit calzones. We are grilling fruit.
Yes.
How did you come up
Game
with
changer.
that? Am I doing the right thing?
Okay, already we got a little bit of a mishap. That's okay. That's okay. That's supposed to go here, Raj. That's
Oh, I
okay.
thought I was supposed to dump it in there.
Okay.
Oh,
That's
wait,
okay.
hold on. Shh, 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 magic of TV. Nobody saw
And
that.
Never
guys,
saw
you know
that.
what? With
And
grilling,
we're up. We've
with
got
grilling,
Maddie and
there's no
Kiki.
mistake.
Okay, what is-
sisters.
Okay,
and
so
brothers.
I took the
Go
blueberries. I
right
got
ahead.
excited.
Okay, so then we're going to
Nobody
add
saw.
some ginger here. Guys,
He's
there's
got
no
it.
mistakes in barbecue.
Why are you doing
It's
it
okay.
so violently?
Because it was sticking on the
You got
bottom.
to smack it out, Tina.
Yeah. Now
And
what?
that's
Fresh
some
blueberries.
cinnamon.
Yeah,
Just a little
got it.
cinnamon.
He's got it.
Cinnamon.
Now, you're putting it all in. That's also cool.
Whoa, don't, you gotta tell me to
Put
stop.
it down. Put it down, bud. Put it down. Okay. So now we're gonna glug till our heart's content here.
Oh, now I can glug to my heart's content, but not the
Don't tell
cinnamon.
him that. Tell him what.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
I should have said
One
that.
glove.
I should have said that.
That looks
Okay,
fantastic.
now a little zest, right?
Yep, there
Yep.
he's got it. Now we're gonna add some lemon zest.
Careful, please,
Just to
Raj.
brighten
Watch
up
out,
the
zest.
blueberries.
Watch your hands.
He's got it.
He seems to be a natural at the zesting at least, guys, okay?
The
That's
zest
good.
for life,
That's
that's
good.
why.
And the zest is history. You put this
Okay.
on the grill. Hey. Okay, I'll start.
Love it, Dina.
I
Now-
find this recipe very appealing.
Oh my goodness!
I see what you did there.
Fantastic, okay?
They're blueberries.
The peel, the peel, Roger.
Okay, so guys, this is gonna go over to the grill, and Kiki, now you're up with the dough.
All right.
All right. Oh, like
Okay,
passed off.
okay.
Let's see you mess up now.
Okay,
Let's
so
just
that's
be clear. If you don't like blueberries, you could do
Strawberry
rhubarb.
rhubarb.
strawberry rhubarb. We
What
got
else?
some Niagara peaches on here.
Which are awesome right now. Those are
Yeah.
so
Early in
delicious.
season.
And then finally some cherries. We like to mix it up with the different woods you can smoke with as well.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to ask about that, but is there a good blend you can put in? Can you mix any of these for the calzones? Or
Yeah,
you
of
keep them
course.
separate except for the strawberry
You can
rhubarb?
do whatever you want. If you want to do like some cherry peach, you could do some
Raspberry peach.
Yeah, peach
Right now
blueberry.
we're doing sugar maple for the blueberry calzones.
I gloved
but
it on, I know.
I love it.
And
I
cinnamon,
love
don't
it.
forget.
How long are we keeping that on the grill for, Maddie?
Okay, so this goes on for approximately 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then when it comes off of the grill, it looks like this beautiful jam consistency.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Lovely.
Okay?
And
So
then
you
all
really
we're gonna
time it if you're
do-
barbecuing. You can time it with your with something you're cooking as well, right?
Totally could.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
actually very smart to do it that way.
Now,
This is your
See, I'm
dad's
not just
recipe.
a pretty face.
No,
I
you're
can't
not.
cook,
You're
but I
not.
can figure things out.
What's your dad's name? Shout out to him for this awesome.
Gaetano!
Gaetano.
Yes!
Good
our
Ca-
dad-
good
this is our
Canadian
dad's
Italian
dough.
man.
This is our dad's dough.
How do you make the dough?
This is 2.5 cups of flour, some yeast, some warm water, some olive oil,
Okay.
obviously.
Obviously, that's a given. Everything
Yeah.
should have olive oil.
So
Yep.
you did one of these, Kiki.
so I did one just to show you, Dina, but I want to see what you can do. You're Italian. I know you
gosh.
can do
You
it.
can do- oh yeah,
Guys,
you're mocking
I've
me.
never made a calzone in my life.
Tina, we believe
And
in
how
you.
did
It's
you-
in your blood.
And
It's
how
in
did
your
you get
blood.
to this where you're going to say, let's make fruit calzone?
We just always love mixing and mingling
She's
with
got
the
it.
grill. So
She's
we
got
love
it.
Making,
Yeah,
making unexpected things on the grill.
That's good.
Okay, honey.
Okay,
And you
so
just experimented and this came up
Less
with,
is
this
more.
is really good.
thank you. Dina's been a little heavy-handed with the filling, but
little.
that's okay.
The worst
Oh,
is,
hey, coach.
the worst
How you
is when
doing,
you, hold on,
coach?
when you bite into a calzone and there's nothing inside, anticlimactic.
That's a good point. That's a very good
Anticlimactic.
point.
You know what I'm
True.
saying, Maddie and Kiki?
Okay.
We're
Give
just
it a
gonna
pinch.
seal it up. She's doing it. She's a natural.
I was just
this
gonna
one.
say, she
she's an
knows the
absolute
pinch.
natural.
All right, now can I put it on?
Yeah.
Raj, please
Let's
be
hold it.
careful.
Wait, hold
Oh,
together.
Raj.
There we
We're
go.
gonna go right
Putting
on
it
to direct heat. Perfect.
How nice is it?
Okay,
Do we
and-
pre-spray the grill?
No.
You
No.
never spray the grill.
No.
You never spray
Touch
It's
the
like
grill.
a seasoning, right?
That's a misconception, actually. If you
Oh.
put oil on the grill, all you're going to get is flames. You never oil the grates.
Okay.
Okay?
And the wood, I want to talk a little bit about the wood quickly. Which is good for what, where, when, and why?
Very good question. So with the strawberry rhubarb, we like to use an apple wood just to give it a nice light smoky flavor. You're not going to taste apple, but just to pair it up. Then with the peach, some peach wood. Okay, makes a lot of sense.
Nice.
Of course.
Then with the cherry, we have some wild cherry cut from my farm, actually.
I love
Awesome.
that.
Guys, Kiki did that wood herself. yourself, okay? Who needs
I know,
to
I
go to
love
the
that.
gym?
Hands up to the farm girls out there.
Chop the wood. No.
Yeah.
I did notice, Maddie, did you oil the actual calzone? You
Yes.
did.
Yes. So you want to oil your food, not the grill.
Okay.
Okay. And when you're doing charcoal grilling, we're cooking right over direct heat.
Yep.
You do not want to walk away from this.
You're
Okay.
always
So this
watching.
is gonna.
And how long on quickly before
This
we
is
go?
going to be about 1 to 2 minutes.
That's it?
1 to 2 minutes.
That's it on
Okay.
each side. On
Yes.
each side. Guys, this is the finished product.
Let's
It's
get
no
in
place
there,
like
guys.
calzone.
No.
Let's
You
do
can
it.
put some
Oh, that
whipped
looks
cream.
good.
Oh, you can put some whipped cream on top, some
Oh.
cinnamon sugar.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's so.
All right. Maddie, Kiki, where can we find you guys?
MaddieandKiki.com and Maddie and Kiki. Talk with my mouth full over on every social
Calzone,
media.
cheers,
Beautiful.
everybody.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Happy
More
Friday,
on BT after the break.
Impress your friends. We'll be back with more BT right after this. Did you just say that?
I did.
Yeah.
That's okay.